Module 5, How Schema Markup Works. So, how does Schema Markup actually work behind the scenes? At a basic level, when you add schema to your website's HTML, you're layering in meaning that search engines like Google can instantly read and interpret. This extra layer doesn't change what your visitors see, but it drastically changes what search engines understand. Let's take a common example, a product page. You might have the product name, a short description, the price, customer reviews, and a note that it's in stock. To a human visitor, it's all clear. But to a search engine? That's just a jumble of text and numbers. Now, here's where schema comes in. When you apply the product schema type, you're tagging that content with specific labels, structured fields that say, this is the name of the product. This is the current price. This is the star rating from reviews. And yes, it's available right now. That structured data is exactly what search engines are looking for. It tells them, with no confusion, what's on the page, how it's categorized, and how it should be indexed. And what's the result? Your content becomes eligible for rich results, those enhanced listings you see in Google that include extra details like star ratings, prices and availability, FAQs with drop-down answers, event dates and times, local business info like maps and directions. These rich snippets don't just look better, they perform better. They attract more clicks because they build trust, provide value up front, and help your listing stand out in a crowded search result. But schema isn't just about appearance. It also helps search engines index your content more accurately. That means they know exactly what kind of page you're publishing, which improves your chances of ranking for relevant searches, even long-tail or voice queries. However, here's the critical part, schema only works when it's implemented correctly. That means choosing the right schema type for your content, making sure your data is up to date, avoiding fake or misleading markup, validating your schema using tools like Google's Rich Results Test or schema.org's validator. If your schema is inaccurate or poorly formatted, Google may ignore it, or worse, penalize the page. That's why it's essential to treat schema markup as a strategic asset, not just a technical task. When used correctly, it gives you a major edge in both visibility and performance. In the next module, we'll walk through the most important schema types and show you exactly how to choose the ones that will have the biggest impact on your business. Let's keep going.